We have some exciting news for Signagelive customers. Signagelive is officially partnered with Screenfeed to bring you unparalleled value for your digital signage content needs. As a Signagelive user, you can now access Screenfeed at an incredible discount. So what is Screenfeed? Screenfeed is a subscription-based content service that specializes in providing dynamic and data-driven content for your digital signage. You can create this content yourself within Screenfeed, or you can choose from an array of professional-looking templates, providing you with versatile and dynamic content in minutes without needing any design knowledge. Pair this with Signagelive and you have the ultimate toolset for crafting, managing and delivering digital signage content. Within the Screenfeed platform, you have access to over 75 different media feeds, including social media feeds and Screenfeed's powerful Connect solution. Screenfeed Connect is a platform within Screenfeed for building stunning data-driven HTML content without any coding skills whatsoever. So you can take actions outside of your digital signage, such as updating a Google Sheet, and have this update both visuals and text on your Signagelive players. And if you already had this content published, you wouldn't even have to log into Signagelive for these changes to take place. Use Screenfeed Connect to effortlessly integrate data from sources like Google Sheets into your digital signage, creating personalized and impactful content such as dynamic employee recognition boards, countdown timers, KPI dashboards, and so much more. So, with all that said, are you ready to elevate your Signagelive players? If so, it's simple. Contact your trusted reseller or reach out to Signagelive directly. We look forward to seeing all the fantastic content that you guys are going to create. Take care.